Hi, in this video we'll explore essential tools that every technical analyst relies on. Since analyzing price movements is primarily done through charts, it's clear that the first step is understanding the different types of charts. Once we grasp how each chart type is constructed, we can begin applying various analytical tools to better interpret market trends and make informed decisions. There are 5 main types of charts: line charts, bar charts, candle charts, point and figure charts, and market profile charts. In today's video, we'll focus on line charts and bar charts. As for market profile, point and figure, and candle charts, these are more in-depth topics that will be covered in future lessons. And that's the reason you want to be subscribed. So hit that like and subscribe buttons. Line charts use a simple line to connect the closing price at the end of each period. They are typically applied to larger time frames such as monthly, weekly, or daily intervals. A daily line chart connects the closing prices at the end of each day, while a weekly line chart links the weekly closing prices, and so on. The main advantage of line charts is their ability to filter out the noise caused by the day's opening, high and low prices, focusing only on the most significant price, the closing. This simplicity offers a clear and quick overview of the market. However, this comes at the cost of comprehensiveness, because a lot of data is left out. Despite this, line charts remain popular among technical analysts because the closing price is the most critical price of the trading day. Traders use line charts to spot long-term uptrends and downtrends and to make quick assessments of market direction. Line charts are also useful when comparing the performance of multiple assets over the same time period, as they provide a clear side-by-side view of price movement. Bar charts provide a more detailed view of price movements compared to line charts. Here's a bar chart based on the same data that was previously shown as a simple line chart. During a trading session, prices fluctuate between the highest and the lowest point. A bar chart represents the range using vertical lines known as bars. Each bar connects the lowest price to the highest price of the trading period. Once the period is complete, a small horizontal dash is added to the right side of the bar to indicate the closing price for that period. The opening price is also marked by a small dash but on the left side of the bar. So the opening is on the left and the closing is on the right. Bar charts can be used to represent price movements over any time frame from seconds to years. They offer more information than line charts because they show the range of price movements: the high, the low, the opening, and the closing. However, since they don't give a quick impression as the line charts do, they require more interpretation. There are other popular types of charts, such as candlesticks, and others that are not so popular, such as hollow candles, volume candles, Renko, range charts, and so on. However, if you're new to trading, don't let the variety of chart types overwhelm you. You don't need to master all of them. In fact, most traders find comfort using just a couple of chart types that suit their trading style. The key here is to start by learning the main types of charts, such as bar charts and line charts, and then gradually expand your knowledge. Some of these additional chart types are actually quite easy to understand once you've mastered the basics. It's all about taking it one step at a time. As you expand your knowledge, you'll find yourself drawn to additional tools such as indicators and strategies that suit your trading style. That's where Technical Analysis Institute Plus comes in. For a tiny monthly fee, this platform provides the perfect environment to learn and grow. With this membership, you'll get 8 high-quality educational videos every month, weekly video answers to your most pressing questions, and special discounts on our products and services. Now click the link below to join me and others like you who are looking to improve their trading skills. If you're a complete beginner or you've been trading for a while, we've got plenty of tips and lessons to help you improve your skills. So stay tuned.